What morning is it? It is mac and cheese morning. So welcome to Digit English, and I have this amazing gadget right here with me, that is Philips OneChef. And also I have Manas to judge this gadget and of course judge my cooking skills.
It's Monday morning, it's breakfast time. We thought, why don't we use this? This might look like an air fryer to you, but this actually is a one-stop solution for all your cooking needs. It does not just air fry stuff, it boils, it steams, it makes curries
As well.
What did we make?
We made dal tadka. You can go and check it on our Hindi channel, Digit Hindi.
Yes, and today on the English channel, what are we gonna cook?
Mac and cheese.
And for that, we have everything here. I've already kept the butter with me so that Krishika doesn't get to apply it on me. There's water, there's milk that I have. What all do you have?
I have the main ingredient, that is pasta, cream, of course the spices like oregano, chili flakes, black pepper, salt, and the mastermind, cheese.
Alright, but before we start cooking, let me just give you a quick brief about this device. This is the Philips OneChef. What it does is basically it has a lot of functions on the front. You can see there's an LED screen. You can skip all the processes if you're not a great cook. You just leave everything to this. It already has a lot of presets. There are 33 functions that it can perform. Makes everything starting from dal tadka to your cupcakes, pizza, pasta, mac and cheese, sambar. You can cook a bunch of things using this thing. And what we're going to test is that whether it is actually as good as a real chef. To give you an idea, now if I open this lid, what you get inside is this big pot. This is what you use to make curries.
Yes, right.
Yeah, and you can see that there's a clear mark here for the maximum and minimum amount of water or curry that you can make. And look at the size. I mean, this can make up to 6 liters of curry. So it's not just that if you are alone or if just maybe it's a small family, no. But even if you've got guests or you live in a joint family, then this can easily make stuff for 7 to 8 people. There's a lot of other stuff that we have. Krishika can quickly explain what does this do.
This is the glass lid which is used during boiling and steaming because it has a hole over it which helps things to just evaporate.
And we have this. This is an idli maker, pretty much self-explanatory.
Idli maker, you can boil your eggs for the morning gym routine, and also you can make little cupcakes into it.
Then there is this.
This is the air fryer, wherein you can fry. You want to make paneer tikkas, you want to make fish, or you want to make butter chicken, or else you want to grill your chicken.
French fries. And this is the steamer, so you can use this to make rice, boil rice, and all of that stuff.
Right.
So we'll keep all of this aside.
Of course. Samanas, are you ready?
Absolutely. First things first, tell me how much time does it take to make mac and cheese in this?
Alright, so you'll be impressed to know this. So it only takes 20-25 minutes to make complete mac and cheese.
Okay, let's see how that goes.
Also, we have a booklet. We'll see the steps, process, and then start with it.
This has all the recipes.
Yes.
So clearly you need the recipes because that's why you're using this also. If you were that good, you would not need this. You can actually cook on your own.
Right. So Manas, first we're going to boil the pasta into the pot.
Alright, let's go.
So please, you may do it.
You can help me. Yeah.
Are you excited?
I don't know. It's too early in the morning to be excited about mac and cheese, but yes.
Okay, now please add the water into it.
But I actually want to see what this thing does. Dal tadka that we made, that came out pretty fine.
Right.
Let's see if it can actually
Let's see what it makes for mac and cheese. Now, we'll close the lid.
Yeah.
So, what you have to do, press on the power button. Then we'll go onto the boil mode. And there you get a down arrow. You'll click on the down arrow and straight away go to pasta. And after pasta, we'll set the timer for 12 minutes, which is already set. And the heat should be high. And then now we're gonna start.
Basically, you're gonna boil pasta for 12 minutes on high temperature and it will just take care of everything.
Right.
You don't have to basically worry about for how long do you need to boil, at what temperature do you need to boil. All of that is just being taken care by this one device.
Now let's open the device and let the pasta be boiled. So it's been 2 minutes since I started boiling the pasta. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt for the taste. Now we'll close it with the glass lid and let it boil for next 9 minutes. So the pasta is boiled. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna drain the water and continue with the rest of the process. As you can see, the pasta is nicely boiled, and now we'll continue with the rest of the process. And Manas, now please add the butter. Cheese.
How much do I put? This much?
Yeah. Okay, now please add salt.
Okay.
Now add milk.
So I'm gonna add little bit of milk for now and we'll see if we need to add more once we add pasta.
And now we'll mix the butter.
So this is interesting because we are actually not heating the pot right now. If you would be making this on a normal pan, you'd probably first turn on the gas, then do all of this.
Too much.
But interesting, let's see.
Now we'll add pasta.
I'll add a little more milk
Milk.
here because I think looking at the
We
pasta, we need a little more milk. Is this good enough?
Yes. Now we'll add cream.
Nice and cheesy, creamy. Yes.
Now we're gonna put oregano and chili flakes.
So all the seasoning
with
will go
the
now.
black pepper.
I'm gonna put some chili flakes. I'm gonna put some black pepper and some oregano.
Now comes the queen of calories. That is mozzarella cheese.
Please, I stay away from these things. You only put it.
But then you have to eventually eat it afterwards, Manas.
Less guilt.
So I'm gonna put a lot of cheese because I love cheese.
Oh God.
Okay, so everything is done. Now
Yeah.
what we're gonna do is we're gonna press on the power button. And from here, we'll straight away click to air fryer mode. And from there, we'll come to manual setting. You have to just press the down arrow. And there you go to manual. 180 degrees Celsius we'll keep, and the timing needs to be 12 minutes. So you can click on the timer and go straight away to 12 minutes.
Okay, so shall I close the lid now?
Yes, of course.
Alright, so what we've basically done is we've set this thing on the air fryer mode at 180 degrees Celsius, and we're gonna air fry it for 12 minutes for our mac and cheese to be ready.
Yes. Let's start.
Yeah.
Alright, there we go. Alright, so Manas, timer is off. And I think it's ready. But
You think or do you know it's ready?
I don't know. What do you
I don't
think?
know. अरे ये last में तो हाथ खड़े कर दिए.
I'm scared. I don't know.
You're nervous? So let's find out whether your mac and
Let's
cheese is.
not.
Let's not.
I don't
All of
know.
this for nothing. No, I'm sure. I think we must have got at least something nice. Because at least the dal was nice. So
Yeah.
I hope this is also
Let's hope.
nicer. Let me just open this. Looks decent, guys.
Looks
decent.
decent.
Let me just show you. I can still see a little bit of milk at the bottom. So maybe we added a little more milk than required. The texture that
That
you
is
usually
maintained.
get with mac and cheese on the top, the cheese is nicely fried and all. So let's just take it out in the bowl and try it
Yes,
out.
please.
Take it. So mac and cheese
It's ready.
is ready. What we're gonna do is
Garnish.
garnish it.
There you go. Do you want to add some cheese?
No, I'm good with this. There's already too much cheese in this.
Okay.
So can I have a bowl and a spoon?
And I would want Manas to try it out first.
So now it's time to try this. Let me just put it in the.
And Manas is gonna try it out first.
This looks good. Guys, if something happens to me after having this, you know who to blame. You know.
I'm a good chef. Don't
I
worry.
didn't name you.
But I understood that,
You could have
Manas.
blamed this, but you want to take the blame. It's fine. It's up to you.
I trust myself.
Do you trust this? Is the question.
Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. Please record expressions.
No, not bad. Yeah, it's actually good.
See, told you.
It's actually quite good. I like this. This is nice.
So am I
And
certified
I think
master chef?
we have done. Hey, what is it? This is about this, not you. Okay, this Philips OneChef is a certified chef. You are a good sous chef.
Sushi
You've been adding all the ingredients, but you've not been cooking yourself. That's
yes.
the whole idea. So this
is a real champion.
is Digit approved, Philips OneChef, Digit verified sous chef. But I really like this. I'm gonna eat a lot more
I'm
of this.
also
You
gonna
wanna
try it out, of course. Okay.
So guys, what I'm going to tell you is this costs rupees 20,000 in India. We tried one such AI powered cooking device on the show earlier. I was not convinced with that, but this here, and after trying this mac and cheese, I can tell you this is great value because for anybody who doesn't know how to cook, you're not sure about the amount of water you should add, milk you should add, the cooking time, the boiling time, all of those things, this device takes care of on its own. There's still a lot of effort though, because for mac and cheese, yes, it was much easier, but let's say if you're making an Indian curry, then you still have to chop a lot of stuff, you'll have to add spices on your own. So there's still a lot of work on that side, but for something like this, I think this was excellent.
Quick.